Did you know you can completely change how text looks on your POCO smartphone? With the updated 2025 software, you can not only switch to different font styles, but also customize the font size to make your screen easier to read, or just more fun to look at. Let me show you how it's done. First, open the Settings app on your POCO phone. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Under the Font section, you'll see two options, Font and Font Settings. Let's start with Font. Here you'll find a wide range of font faces and styles. Some are free, while others are available for a small one-time fee. For this guide, let's pick from the free fonts. Navigate to Categories, then tap a design you like. For example, let's go with bubble letters. A list of available fonts will appear, both free and paid. Scroll through until you see one you like. Let's pick a font called Nice One. Tap it, then tap the free download button. Once the download is complete, tap Apply. Your device will process the changes, and in just a moment, the entire system font will be updated. You'll see the difference right away across menus, messages, and apps. Now let's customize the font size. Go back and tap Font Settings. Here you'll see a slider bar. Drag it left to make text smaller or right to make it larger. At the top, you'll see a live preview so you can decide what size works best for you. Once you're happy, tap the back key to save the setting. And that's it. You've changed both the style and size of your system font. If you ever want to try something new, just repeat these steps and pick another font that suits your mood or needs. Now, here's a pro tip. Larger fonts are perfect if you want less eye strain when reading long articles or messages, while smaller fonts let you fit more content on one screen. And if you like to keep your phone unique, switching fonts regularly is an easy way to refresh your device's look without changing wallpapers or themes. And that's it. If this video helped you customize your POCO smartphone, give it a like, and check out my other latest tutorials for more ways to make your device truly yours. Thanks for watching.